Let me check.
That doesn't even know what, you don't even know what ASMR is, and you're just like,
I'm really bad at ASMR.
But slime is the best for ASMR.
So ASMR is what, like satisfying sounds
Yeah,
that make you feel good?
Yeah,
It's not
like
chewing
relaxing,
noises.
satisfying sound.
Comment
Like
below
that is
if-
satisfying.
So my whole life is basically filled with non-ASMR when you guys are around. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Comment below if you think chewing noises or ASMR, or you think they're very annoying.
So-
Oh yeah, we were just talking about that. We hate chewing noises.
Yeah.
Some
It's
chewing
so-
noises. No, I
them
like
so
the
much.
sound of like chips. Just like when you get the perfect chip that has the perfect crunch. It's just like, oh.
Yeah,
Just
but
to eat it, it's just like.
Well, yeah, I could hear like a chip crunching sound is
Yeah.
good, but like a lip smacking
Yeah, like
sound,
this.
Oh yeah, like that.
Oh, that's
Ew,
so-
that's
so
Yeah,
bad.
some-
bad.
That's bad.
It just makes me want to like blow
Sometimes
up.
it makes me want to flip this
I like
table.
some I like the crunch noises, but when it's like that, ugh. That's like a cringe noise.
It's more of a noise that you want to flip
That one's
the table.
cool. That one's actually kind of cool. Look at that.
Yeah.
That one's from, I'm pretty sure,
Frozen.
Frozen. Like when.
Spirit.
No, Frozen 2 when she was like.
That's
those
Frozen.
things-
That was the water horse that she rides.
Rudy.
The water
Rudy.
horse? Oh. Hey, I can't. I
Vision
haven't
of
watched.
the future.
Vision of the Future. That's Merlin.
Merlin.
Yeah, from Sword.
Oh,
and
that's from Pinocchio, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Pinocchio.
Monstro.
I like that. It's so funny. He's just like
Tropical Rainforest.
Jaguar Lair.
Or
Arthur.
Arthur.
You like.
Robin
War.
Hood. Timely Contestant.
I remember watching that book.
Oh,
Ooh.
Oh,
Is this her? Is this the...
Wait, that's kind of gold. Yeah, look, it's got.
Yeah, this is
little
a
bit shiny.
well. This is like a super legendary one. Let's see.
Really?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is not the enchanted one, so I don't think it's worth a lot of money. But
It might be worth some. Maybe later it'll be worth.